In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to plan and organize your videos in Notion with a filmmaking workflow. Start by opening Notion. So in your browser and logging into your workspace, once you're in, look over to the left sidebar and click the plus new page button. A fresh page opens. Click the title at the top and rename it to Video Workflow so it's easy to find later. On the right side of the page, you'll see a Templates option. Click that, then search for Content Planning or Video. Choose a template that fits your style and click Use this template. This gives you a ready-made structure so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Now customize it. Click anywhere on the page to edit sections like ideas, scripts, shoot schedule, or editing. Replace placeholder text with your real projects and adjust headings so they match your process. Keep labels consistent. It makes everything easier to scan. To track your production stages clearly, add a table or board view. Type /table or /board and select the option you prefer. Boards are great for dragging tasks through stages like ideas, pre-production, filming, and editing, while tables shine when you want columns for status, dates, or links. Choose whichever helps you see progress at a glance. Next, create a dedicated page for each video project. In the left sidebar, click plus Add a page for every new video. Give each page a descriptive title, then link it back under your video workflow page so everything lives in one place. You can also drag pages in the sidebar to nest them neatly under your workflow. Clean up your layout by dragging pages or blocks to reorder them by priority or stage. Keep high priority items near the top so you always know what's next. When you need more detail without clutter, use toggle lists. Type toggle to create a collapsible section. This is perfect for hiding script, drafts, shot lists, or research notes until you need them. You can nest additional blocks inside each toggle and keep the page tidy. If you like planning dates visually, you can optionally embed calendars. Type, embed, and paste a calendar link to view shoot schedules or publish dates right within the page. This keeps timing front and center as you move projects forward. That's it. Continue adding new video ideas, tracking progress, and updating stages as you go. The more you use this workflow, the more it becomes your production command center. Your video workflow in Notion is ready. Plan, organize, and stay on top of every project. Subscribe for more tutorials.